Hi my friend, today we model this part. Not so complicated, but everybody must learn, and I have to give you as many as I can models. This is the drawing for this model. Let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw a vertical line of 152. This is a center line. And we continue with some other lines. Horizontal, vertical, I keep press the left button, I go here, down and back to the center point. Dimensions 104, radius 10, this distance is 64, and 88, the last. Finish sketch, revolve, and the first volume is here. Don't forget, all dimensions are in the drawing, and we use them to create each sketch. 152, 64, radius 10, and diameter of 104 here, 88 here. Now we continue with this volume, but without internal volumes. This is our strategy. I use the plane XY, F7, and I draw lines. As you can see. This is vertical, of course, and it contains the center point. This is the center point. The bottom line is center line. Dimensions 100 is this, two millimeters here. Distance from the center point is not linear diameter, 98. This is linear diameter indeed, 96, and this is 76. We have a fully constrained sketch, so we can apply revolve again with join, not cut. Okay, we continue with this flange 120 a square 120, radius 12, placed at a distance of 152, the level we know, and the thickness of 20. Good. We use this plane. We go to the rectangle 2-point center. 120 is a side, and we make equal this side with this side. Then fillet of 12 at each corner. Finish sketch, extrude the other direction with join of 20. Okay. Then this flange with dimensions 120, 155 and radius 20 again. We use this plane for a new sketch, F5 to project this cylinder, F7, and now we can use the same solution with the 2 dimensions 155 tab 120. Then fillet of 12 to each corner. Not 12, but 20. Finish sketch, extrude this contour on a thickness of 22. Okay. The third flange is here. You see diameter of 100 as the base, 160, radius 20, and holes of 20. We use this plane for a new sketch, circle, and the center point or the projection of center point, diameter of 100. Then we activate the line tool, keep pressed on the circle, and we have a tangent. Keep pressed the left button of the mouse and go to the circle, tangent twice. This axis is Z, so I know this time is okay on the same vertical. I apply trim for this arc and I project the x-axis as a construction. Why? Because I apply mirror of the three entities about this axis. We split this arc to keep the dimension, but this must be construction. The distance between the two circles is 160 and the radius 20. Finish sketch. The thickness is also 20. Extrude the other direction with join of 20. Okay, now we can place the holes of 20. This is the first, 20 is already placed, plus this face and this center also 20 through all. Now the internal volumes. Here you see all dimensions: 3 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 104, 80. Here is radius 4, the same center with this external radius 10, and 76. Then we apply this chamfer. Okay, let's do this. We use the XY plane, F7, line from the bottom to the top, then to the left, down, right, down, there is a fillet there, as well as here. Then I go down and I close this contour. This is a center line. I project this arc and I make coincident these two. Dimensions. This is radius 4. As well as this one. Then other dimensions. This is 104. This is 80. This is 3 and this is 5. This is diameter of 92, but it is the same. I accept this. 92 in parentheses is a unuseful dimension, only for information. Why? Because this is with a dimension and the external cylinder was dimensioned as well. This is the missing dimension is this one. The value is 76. I apply chamfer of 2 here. Okay, finish sketch, revolve with cut. Okay, the other internal volume is this one. 68 is the diameter centered on the external volume. 68. Same plane, F7, a rectangle in 2 points. This is a center line, and you see that this is placed in the proper position with the external volume, as I said. The diameter is 68. Fully constrained sketch. Revolve with cut. Okay. Now that holes, you see here 4 of 20 centered on the fillets. Hole, face, 20, but not through all the part, because we go through this. This is not good. We go here. Plus face, select the surface, this, plus face, center, select the face, and this one, plus this face, this center, this end. Okay. There are 4 other holes of metric 12 on this face. I apply another solution. I select this as a sketch, I project this, and I have the centers. Hole, threaded, metric 12, ISO, not ANSI, even if they are the same. And select the surface. For the beginning we select holes, but I need to select the face. This is the face, also here, and the diameter is the distance. The surface is this one, and the holes are threaded. Okay, good. And the drawing, we see all fillets are radius 4. We apply this starting here with 4 and other fillets almost all over. Okay. Now I see that I missed some fillets. Double click on the previous tool and we add other fillets also here. Now is okay. Okay. Another problem is with this diameter. With the dimension of 96 and the drawing says 92. So we change very easily this dimension because Inventor is a parametric software. You can modify everything, not like in AutoCAD. Good. Let's see what about the volume. High properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is very similar with the other one. I don't know which one is wrong. They are made by me, both. So we use the last value because this is what we did here. Then we apply a visual style of shaded. IBL is not accepted, but this default lights. Material is still cast, and the general aspect is also still cast. Let me apply some new aspects. I keep press the left button to select faces, not left button but shift key on the keyboard, and I place here still polished. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.